Technology has evolved with time and made the meticulous job of software development look like a child's play. Even a non-technical or a developer with least programming experience can develop a compelling application these days, and the platform is popularly known as no-code development. In this session, we will be discussing the top 10 best no-code application builders. Hey everyone, welcome to yet another exciting video from Simplilearn. Before we begin, let me tell you guys that we have daily updates on multiple technologies. If you're a tech geek in a continuous hunt for latest technological trends, then consider getting subscribed to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon to never miss an update from Simplilearn. Now, without any further ado, let's get started with the agenda for today's discussion. First, we will begin with learning what exactly is no-code development. Later, we shall understand the top 10 best application builders, and finally, we will discuss the benefits of no-code development. I hope I made myself clear with the agenda. Now, let's get started with our first concept, that is, what is no-code development? So everyone has an idea on coding, which means passing the instructions to a computer using programming languages with the help of technical users. But no-code development is into the market and showing positive results by using non-technical users to create applications. It is a visual development interface platform and used for developing applications without using any coding experience. Now, let's dive into the top 10 no-code application builders. So the first one in the list is Appipy. Appipy's no-code app builder has managed to democratize app making with its drag-and-drop app builder software. Mobile app development is now accessible to all irrespective of coding knowledge, and everyone can make a mobile app with Appipy App Maker. It was founded by Mr. Abhinav Giridhar in 2015 and was located in Walnut, United States. It acquired AppMaker, merging AppMaker with their development platform and giving best results. This unique no-code app builder from Appipy has gained tremendous popularity among tech and non-tech users due to its fantastic ease of use and intuitive interface. The major advantage of choosing Appipy is that the development it provides, and accessing the applications is also the significant benefits of choosing this Appipy. And the next one in the list is AppSheet. AppSheet is a no-code development platform that lets anyone without coding experience build a mobile and web application. It was founded by Mr. Praveen Sheshadri in the year 2014 and it is located in Seattle, Washington. Using AppSheet, you can build some applications based on data sources such as Google Sheets, Excel, Cloud, SQL, Salesforce, and other similar connectors. It captures data informed by images, signatures, barcodes, and NFC. The data is automatically synced to the cloud-based, or the user can opt manually. One of the key advantages of using AppSheet is the multi-development and data integration it provides. And the next one in the list is Airtable. Airtable is a cloud-based company for developing applications using no-code development. It integrates all the applications and services. It was founded in the year 2012 by Howie Liu, Andrew Hofstad, and Emmett Nicholas, located in San Francisco. It is used to manage work, track and organize inventories, and plan an event. Airtable is a spreadsheet database hybrid with the feature of database but applied to a spreadsheet. The fields in an Airtable are similar to cells in a spreadsheet but have types such as checkbox, phone number, and drop-down list, and can reference file attachments like images. Airtable provides good customization and integration for the applications, which is a major benefit to choose. And the next one in the list is Lancer. Visual Lancer is a cloud-based application development platform designed to help software developers build multi-experience applications. It was founded in the year 1987 by Peter and Lindsay to create and sell software development tools for the IBM systems. Visual Lancer low-code development platform enables companies to digitally transform their business and increase IT efficiency while reducing risk and technical debt, enabling development to finish on time and respond to demands for more applications. Visual Lancer provides the best tools to develop web applications and offers good SQL support for the applications created. And the next one in the list is Microsoft Power Platform. Microsoft Power Platform is a great tool when you're after the creation of business apps. It's quick and easy to design and develop. It was founded in the year 2018 and released by Microsoft, which provides integrations with GitHub and Teams. It is more than the sum of its parts. Connect to Office 365, Dynamics 365, Azure and hundreds of other apps and build end-to-end business solutions. The data integration and data storage it provides is the key feature to choose Microsoft Power Platform. And the next one in the list is QuickBase. QuickBase is a low-code platform that allows non-technical developers to build, customize, and connect scalable, secure cloud applications mapped to unique business challenges without compromising IT governance and control. It was founded in the year 1999 by Joe, Jim, and Claudie, located in Cambridge, United States of America. The platform addresses a broad set of business use cases through its customizable application platform, including workflow and process automation, forms, and personalized chats and reports driven by customizable business logic. QuickBase provides good access and best development features to the applications created, and which is a major benefit to choose one. And next one on the list is Dotbubble. Dotbubble is a visual programming language, a no-code development platform, and an application platform as a service developed by Bubble Group, enabling non-technical people to build web applications without needing to type a single code. It was founded in the year 2012 by Joshua, Haas, and Emmanuel, located in New York. Users draw the interface by dragging and dropping elements onto a page and defining workflows to the control logic. Bubble's vision is to make hand coding for web applications largely obsolete. One of the major advantages of choosing Bubble is the speed of development and easy application updates. And the next one in the list is Mendix. Mendix is an American low-code software platform company that provides tools to build, test, deploy, and iterate applications. The company was founded by Derek Ross and Derek Jan in the year 2005, and later it was acquired by Siemens in 2018. And now it operates as an independent subsidiary. The Mendix App Store also offers new widgets to access native device functions such as contacts, camera, geolocation, and barcode scanner. The company also released the Mendix Developer app to test mobile applications. The deployment and development of the applications happen in a speedy manner using Mendix. This is the key benefit of choosing Mendix. And the next one we have is KissFlow. KissFlow is one of the best workflow automation software development platforms that offer comprehensive solutions. It was founded by Mr. Suresh and launched by Orange Space at Google Input Output in 2012. That is designed to work along with Google Apps that provide user experience with Google Apps such as Gmail and Google Docs. It provides a simple, optimal, and efficient platform to manage and track all your work. KissFlow provides best mobile support and administrative support to the applications built. And next one in the list is Zoho Creator. Zoho Corporation is an Indian multinational technology company that makes web-based business tools. It is best known for its online office suite named Zoho. The company was founded in the year 1996 by Mr. Sridhar Vembu and Tony Thomas and had a presence in 7 locations with its global headquarters in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India, and global headquarters in California. Zoho Creator builds multi-platform applications ranging from simple call logs to complex ERPs that integrate with your existing process. Zoho provides a good security system and best customer relationship management to the applications created, which is a crucial feature to choose. Now, let's have a look at some of the benefits of no-code development. While building an application, everyone thinks about the cost. No-code development helps reduce the issues related to cost by lowering the budget. The no-code development requires less effort, which helps in reducing the burden on the developers. Making changes for the applications using no-code development is easy and done in less amount of time. Building applications using other development tools requires more developers in the development team. But using the no-code development requires fewer developers comparatively. So this was all for today's session. I hope this session gave you an idea about the importance of no-code development and the top 10 no-code application builders. If you guys have found it informative and helpful, do like and subscribe our YouTube channel. If you have any queries or questions, do let us know in the comment section below and we have our experts to answer it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more from Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.